Blake Bunner is my name, and I am the CEO for Encompass Health Deaconess Rehabilitation Hospital. It started here at Bob's Gym several years ago, and what prompted that was I had a total knee replacement in 2014. I wouldn't be able to exercise the way that I had exercised my entire life, and not being able to run long distance or be able to run and play basketball all day long was pretty depressing to me. I had to find new ways to burn calories and to get fit. In fact, my weight had crept up to around 300 pounds, and I was kind of worried about that and needed to do something. What really attracted me to Bob's Gym, if I could say, is that there was a pool here at Newburgh, and I knew that the low impact exercises is where I needed to start. I was riding the bike, walking a little bit on the treadmill, and swimming, and that was really my beginning at Bob's Gym, is just moving. And then I started noticing behind me when I was on the bike, there were these classes going on, and I thought, you know, I wonder what that's all about. I wonder if that costs any more, or if that's just part of the membership. And so I asked around and found out that that was included in the membership. And I thought, you know what, some of those things that they're doing in there, I know I can do that. I may not be able to do all of it, but I know I can do some of that. I decided to try a group class, and the first class was group power at that time, and got in there and being able to do some of the lifting exercises. I'm not allowed to go down to a 90 degree on my squat, so I kind of modified and did the best that I could do without injuring myself. And the next thing you know, I decided that I wanted to see what other classes were available here at Bob's. For a long time, I thought that I was going to have to be on that bike and that treadmill and then just swim laps that can be a little bit boring at times. And then when I discovered these classes, it really was a good fit for me, because other people were doing things around me and it kept me motivated to keep going. And after time, you develop some friendships in these classes, and there's some personal accountability that goes on there. So if you miss a class, somebody might say, hey, we missed you last time. And so you feel like you're a part. I'm probably more fit now than I've been in a long time as a result of coming to Bob's Gym. I'm very grateful for what we have in our community, having different options, different places to go at Bob's, and different classes that are included with your membership.